And that misery continues. And a humiliating scoreline when they look back at it. Alledine Ajare, the star of the story. Chitinam has started the goal scoring fest here. And it is ended by their hero, Alledine. Bemamar had a role to play. Nestor Albiak got a goal as well. Bemamar was taken off very quick in the second half to give him some rest before the quarterfinals. They almost knew and were confident that they're going through. Cuermo opening his account in the Super Cup as well, but Schmerli couldn't make too much of an impact. The only foreigner in that squad, and they have knocked out Mohammedan Sporting at full time. Northeast United 6 and Mohammedan SC 0. It was Nestor Albiak grinding in across, a mistake from the keeper, fell to Chitin. Sharp reactions from Chitin MS to just push it to the back of the net, and then Alledine Ajare starting off just like he ended the season, goal scoring, providing. He's right there, top guy on the pitch. And two of them already, and Mohammedan were fading away, and Nestor Albiak made it 3 in the first half itself. 3 in the first half, 3 in the second half as well. This was the first of those in the second half. Alledine, clever, right position, and just capitalizing on the opportunity. The fifth one coming from Cuermo, provided by Alledine Ajare. So much involvement in the game, always eager to perform. And Alledine Ajare, before the game ended, he wanted his hat-trick very bad. He tried to take the defenders alone, earned a penalty. Smart finish to beat the keeper and make it 6-0 for Northeast United. The good days for Northeast is what they're having at the moment. Ioh Hattrick, Minati Mohapatra.